In this video I'll show you how to buy XRP on Coinbase. I'll show you how to do so both on Coinbase Beginners and Coinbase Advanced. Let's start with the Coinbase Beginners. When you're on the home page, click on this buy button and look up XRP. Click on XRP. And here you'll need to choose how much money you want to put in XRP. So for me it's Euro, for you it might be USD, GBP, whatever your currency is, choose the amount you want to put in. So let's say I want to buy 100 euros of XRP. I'll type 100 and it will tell me that I'll get 48 XRP. You can also choose a specific amount of XRP you want to buy. So to do so, click on XRP, the amount of XRP, and it will toggle to cryptocurrency. So let's say I want to buy exactly 50 XRP. I'll type 50 here, and it will tell me that I'll spend 102.78 euros. So next is how you want to pay for it. We'll click on this, and here you can choose to pay with your money wallet, so your cash wallet. For me it's Euro, for you again might be USD, GBP, whatever your currency is. This is the method with the lowest fees, and of course for this one you need to have money deposited in your cash account. If you don't know how to deposit money on crypto.com, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. Or you can also choose to pay with Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard. But this method has higher fees. So however you want to pay for it, choose your preferred method and click on Review Order. Here you will see a summary of your order and click on Buy Now. So once everything is done, you'll see your XRP here in My Assets, and then crypto. Now I'll show you how to buy XRP on Coinbase Advanced. Now go on the home page, click on the candle symbol here at the top, and you'll switch to Coinbase Advanced. Here on the home page, click here where it says search for a market, type XRP, and then followed by your currency. So for me it's XRP Euro, for you it might be XRP USD, XRP GBP, or if you cannot buy directly with your currency, you'll need to deposit your currency and then convert it to USDC or USDT. So for me I'll click on XRP Euro. Here click on buy. Now once you're on this interface, the first thing you need to choose is the order type. There are two main order types, market and limit. Let's start with market because it's the simplest. Market means let's buy XRP at this specific price. So order type market. Now you'll need to choose how much money you want to put in. So again, let's say I want to put in 100 euros. I'll type 100. And it will tell me that I'll get 50.49 XRP. So click on done and click on buy. Now if you want to buy a specific amount of XRP, click on the currency here, toggle to XRP, and type whatever amount of XRP you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 50 XRP. I'll type 50. It will tell me that I'll have to spend 97.83 euros. Click on done and I'll click on buy. Now the second type of order is limit. So click on here, choose limit. Limit means let's buy XRP at this specific price. So right now the price of XRP is €1.95. Let's say I want to buy XRP when it reaches 1.90 euros. I'll type 1.90. I'll click on done. And then you'll need to choose again the amount of XRP you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 50 XRP. I'll click here, I'll type 50, click on done. It will tell me that if I buy 50 XRP at €1.90, I'll receive I'll have to spend 95 euros. So click on buy, or if you want to choose a specific amount of money you want to put in, click on here, XRP, toggle to euro or whatever your currency is. Let's say I want to buy 100 euros of XRP. I'll type 100 euros. It will tell me that I'll get 52 XRP. I'll click on done and I'll click on buy. Once everything is done, you'll find your XRP here in portfolio and crypto. If you've decided that you want to buy with a market order, if you set up a limit order, it will only buy when XRP reaches the price you've set up.